Hello again, welcome to another review, and today we look at this 2013 Peugeot 107 Active, 5-door, finished in the red. Lovely bright little car, very low mileage, 14,500 miles from new, so very little use, all nice tidy condition. There's a couple of very minor bit of scuffing down there. Lovely and clean inside. Just had 4 brand new tyres, new battery and new brakes, so all good to go. Slight little chip there. Super clean in the load area as well. Underneath there is your full-size spare wheel, jack and toolkit. All present and correct. Lovely low running costs on these. Very good on fuel. 1000cc petrol. This is qualified for the 0 road tax as well. Electric front windows, 2 keys, book pack with it. There you go, 14,500 miles. It's a nice low miles. Radio CD with the aux socket. Air conditioning. 12-volt socket there. 5-speed manual. Conventional handbrake. Lovely little car for somebody just as a runabout, or somebody just learning to drive. Just somebody who doesn't want to spend too much getting from A to B. So there you go. If you're interested, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.